Morning everyone, and today is my birthday. My 14th birthday. So guys, kung nahihinaan mo kayo sa boses ko, it's apparently sinadya ko talaga yun kasi nga kasi marinig tayo ni Daddy. So update ko kayo mamaya. Bye! So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video. So ayun na nga guys, nandito pa tayo sa ating na yung design. Dito. Yan. Ayun ito yung mga design. Huwag nang pansinin nyo sa taas. Crop top na red and stripe na white. Stripe. So yeah guys, I'm done getting my hairdo and yeah.
Sis, dito ka kay daddy mo. Hawiran dapat ni Princess ang cake. Hawiran. Why na day ilaw? Madulog.
Sir Mawin. Ito namin. Sir Mawin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Lasing siya. Masyadong malasing.
Yun.
Thank you po sa nag-sponsor ng cake at mga hindi sa akin nito. So, kay ma'am po.
Thank you po, Daddy.
Thank you po kay Daddy. Ganyan nga tayo.
Cellphone ko, set.
Okay, Patrick. So that's guys our video for today. I hope you like it. And if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. Channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming videos. Bye!